Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and wanted to show you a new car we're getting ready to put on the lot here, new to us. It's a 2016 Ford Fusion. It's an SE trim model. Very nice car, beautiful silver trim or silver color on the outside, black leather interior, sunroof inside of it. We'll do a quick walk around here. We'll go on the inside and I'll show you what it looks like inside. It does have a backup camera and the lens for that is right here. So I'll go ahead and pop the trunk, the hatch. Very spacious. You got a lot of room. I don't know if you're seeing this without a lot of glare, but there's actually very good room in this back. So we'll go ahead and shut this. Now this is the EcoBoost engine, which basically means it's turbocharged. It's a 1.5 liter, so it's a smaller engine, but with the turbos on it, it's going to give you more horsepower, more torque compared to a larger engine, while with it being a smaller engine displacement, you're getting better gas mileage. So it's a great combination. That's one nice thing with these Fords with the EcoBoost. Let's go ahead and hop this. Before I go inside, just show you up here. There you can see the opening for the sunroof. But let me pull back here. Beautiful black leather interior. This car is very comfortable inside. You got the black door panels. And I'll show you the heating, cooling controls down here. It's a view up front. And up there is your sunroof. So let's go ahead and get in front. Oh, before I get in front, I do want to show you on your side mirrors, you do have your turn signals indicators. So you have that on both left and right side, and they are heated. So that's a very nice feature. So let me show you the inside of it before we hop in. It's talking to us. I forgot to pull the keys out. There's your controls for your front seat. So let's go ahead and hop in. So while this thing's already dinging, show you the LCD center. Go ahead and start it up. There we go. Let me go ahead and back off. I'll show you the steering wheel, instrument cluster. Do a little brief pan around. Beautiful car inside. Very beautiful car. I'll pull up closer. The instrument cluster, you can see as of the video here, the miles on it, 66,536 miles. It does have a 3-position memory seat. So if different people get in, you just push number 1, 2, or 3 according to who that person is. The seat will go automatically to their position. And lighting controls right here. Controls on your door. But let's go over here to your steering wheel. You see you do have controls on both sides. This section right here will control this section to give you different readings on your car, your engine. This control module here on the right will control this one. This is Bluetooth capability, so it will hook up to your smartphone and your cruise control on this side. So we'll go up here, show you the command center. It does have a rear view camera, so I'm getting ready to drop this down in reverse. You'll see the rear view camera engage. Very nice safety feature. And we'll pan down and you'll see your heating and air conditioning control system right there. And gear shift, you got 2 cup holders. You do have storage capacity right here. It does have SUB and a place for a card reader, 12 volt. And get up here and you'll see I've got the sunroof open. You do have a shade that you can pull it and close it if you want to. I've got it open for right now to get some extra light in here and show you the back seats. Very ample leg room in this Fusion. So that's a quick view. Just wanted to let you know financing. We've got multiple lenders. We're actually getting new lenders all the time, so it's making it easier for people to get qualified. Even if you do not have perfect credit, you could get in the majority of all of our vehicles with no money down, no money out of pocket. So it's a great time to buy a car. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.